Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad is current and has enough storage so the wallpaper import won't fail. Next, open Photos or Files and pick a high-resolution image or a live photo. This gives sharp results across orientations. Once done, decide whether you want the lock screen, home screen, or both changed and whether to use a dynamic, still, or live format. This affects motion and battery. Make sure to crop roughly to the screen ratio before moving on to Apply. Open the image, tap Share and Use as wallpaper, or go through settings to add new wallpaper. Both paths work. You can pinch to zoom and drag to frame the focal point, and choose perspective zoom for subtle parallax or still for fixed imagery. Once you preview, switch orientation to check landscape appearance and tweak zoom again so key content isn't cropped. Then tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. This finalizes placement and preserves your composition. After setting the wallpaper, test it. Lock and unlock the iPad and rotate to ensure the image aligns and any movement behaves as expected. If you notice blur, unwanted cropping, or low quality, edit the source image to match the iPad's resolution and retry. This fixes scaling artifacts. If the image won't set or the system reverts, restart the iPad, then remove the wallpaper from Settings, right arrow Wallpaper, and reapply. That restart often clears transient permission or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.